Hey, this is Justin with Infinite Washing Solutions. Today, we are in Knoxville, Tennessee at Commercial Building Specialties. We're going to be doing a commercial building wash for them. We're just going to be doing the front. So from right down here, this part's metal and block, down to the very center, which is IFAS, stucco-ish IFAS material, all the way down to the end. And we're going to take care of their sidewalk for them. I was going to show you something. We did a test spot. We always come out and do a test spot, let you see what the results are going to be like. That kind of helps you better determine if you want to, go through with a cleaning or not. So like this whole column looked like that starting out. Just moldy, mildewy, algae, real bad. And then we clean this. And this is what won us the job. They seen how clean this come, how brand new it looks. And we were very pleased. Now, there's one thing about this material, this stucco and IFAS. If you can see, I'll try to get it right over here. We did another test spot. See how black and moldy it is? We did this as a test spot, this little area. Once this gets so bad, that's about the maximum you would ever want to let it get. Because once it gets so bad, it's going to shadow. It'll come clean, but it damages the paint and the color. And it shadows it really bad. And you really can't get that out. But that right there, you can see it's real bad. Cleaned up good in this section. So, that's what the whole building's going to look like when we get finished with it. I'll bring you along for the journey, show you our process, of course, how we do it. As you can see, this column right here, this one is still really green and dirty. And then we walk down here. Got some debris in the gutter. We'll take care of that. This metal section will clean up good. You know we always do property protection, so we're going to tape up all these electrical boxes. And there's an outlet down there, down there, somewhere in there there's an outlet. And this side's metal, so see how dirty and dingy, moldy it is. Get it all cleaned up. I'll bring you along for the journey, and yeah, we'll see how good she looks. So we're applying our algicide to this section. We're gonna let this area soak real good while we wash the other side of the building. As you can see, we're using a 12-volt pump here. It's only 60 PSI, very low pressure. Anytime you clean any structure, especially this material, IFAS, stucco, etc., you want to use as little pressure as possible because this is very soft material. You want to use as little pressure as possible. It's very soft material. Pressure causes problems. That's always the rule. So we're going to soak the rest of this down. I'll come back and do an update video as it starts to clean. So we've coated all this area. You notice how it's starting to change colors and kind of turn yellow. Like right up there, see how that's kind of turning yellow? That's where that mold is actually dying. And we'll just let it sit here and do its thing, and over the next couple minutes, it'll slowly start to disappear. Let's see that at the top. So that's kind of turning yellow. All this will start to yellow up. All of it's slowly starting to turn. So I'll check back in again here in a minute. We'll see. So it's been about 5 minutes from the last recording. You can see how that's almost gone. That looks way better. All that down through there looks way better. And that was with zero pressure, just applying our algicide, letting it work. Remember how black this was? It's starting to clean up now. So we just let our soaps sit and work, come back with a very low pressure rinse, and zero damages. Check this out up in here. All these cobwebs. This whole area, nothing but cobwebs. So we're gonna remove these wreaths, maybe. We're gonna remove these wreaths. We're gonna soft wash up in here and get all these cobwebs, spider webs gone. Make this look brand new. It's been about 15 minutes now since the last video. And it's just, all the mold is just about gone. Probably one more coat. Let it soak real good. This section definitely needs it again. I just retreated this. So one more coat through here. And then it'll be time to rinse. I mean, that went from, it's crazy how much that's changed. 0 damage too. 0 damage. If you were to pressure wash all this, you're gonna damage it. There's no way around it. It's just, this stuff is so soft. Do a little walk around. We're done. Got everything cleaned up for them. I know in the intro I said commercial roofing specialties. That's who we're here working for. I said commercial building specialties. I don't know why I can't get that in my head and get that figured out. Is what it is. All this metal that was nothing but solid green is now nice and clean. Looks brand new. Walk on down here so y'all can see. Well, this was nothing but algae. Now it's all nice and clean again. This area up in here was nothing but cobwebs and spider webs. It's all nice and clean now, so when the employees come in and out, won't be any problems. Here's another cool thing about soft washing. So we washed all these windows, and they have, you know, the painted murals, Georgia, Tennessee, go Vols. But we didn't damage them at all. Like, the paint is still there. So I'm not sure how long it's been there, but it looks good. Still looks good. Right here, remember, this was our test spot. And now it's clean all the way up. The whole front is clean. Check this out. Remember how black all that was? That was just nothing but black mold. All nice and clean, looks brand new again. So once again, this is Justin with Infinite Washing Solutions. If you have a commercial building or commercial property you're needing cleaned, we're licensed and insured, workman's comp, all that good stuff. We can come out, give you a free quote, whether it's metal, IFAS, stucco, whatever, we can take care of it, no matter the size. 865-318-0053. www.infinitewashing.com. Thank you.